Alright, there it goes. The water gets deeper and deeper in this level, so that's why we're sending the ROV down there. We're already up to the top of our waders.
Check out the screen, look.
Hey, there it is. Water vision. You'll see the full movie in a bit. And off it goes. Okay, right, I need to get my notebook out.
Here we go. Go up down the level. Are you recording? How are we at?
Yeah. Just double check. Yes, it is recording, yeah. Talk quite loud as well, just in case it's a bit quiet.
So here we are, look down the level, look.
Wow, look at that. So we're heading straight.
Crawling along nice and straight. Very slowly does it.
Look at that. Awesome.
No artifacts as yet.
Nothing yet. It's going dead straight.
So Johan's taking notes as we're doing this.
I'm going to try and sketch this very roughly, sketch the level out, and then measure the line as we pull it back in so that I can estimate how far the level goes.
But look how high the level is.
Yeah, it's still high, isn't it? Oh no, it is high, yeah.
It is high.
Quite so.
That's like what we just came through.
Yeah.
Actually.
Wow.
And it's not flooded to the ceiling because you can see the drips of water landed on the
Oh yeah.
on the top of the
Yeah,
surface.
sure. So that's good. We can keep an eye on the water level that way too, can't we? Does it say how far ahead it is, or only depth below the surface, isn't it? Yeah, it doesn't say how far.
Oh yeah, you can see the top of the...
That's it. Okay, so far so good. So clear. Coming up to something.
It's a boulder.
Yeah.
So what year was this level, right?
1907. So driven in 1907. Got some debris on the floor here.
Yes.
Just like the sound of it just surfacing.
It was.
So over there.
So there's a slight bend to the left.
There is, isn't there? Yes.
With a collapse.
With a collapse right there, okay. Cool. Got that?
Go over this collapse.
Yeah.
Water's very clear.
It is.
Oh, we just broke the surface there.
Ah.
Don't want to do that. Collapses, the heat is quite high.
Yeah. And it carries on. And goes to the left again, doesn't it?
It does. Take it up slightly because I don't want to miss the...
Yeah, sure.
How's Lois getting on?
All right, we've still got some cable left.
Good.
Releasing the cable for us. Johan's taking notes, I'm driving it, and Lois is releasing the cable.
It's an intense operation, isn't it?
Teamwork. It looks amazing. Doesn't it?
Yeah. Is that still going?
Oh, whoa, I just seen something.
Oh.
Let's go back. Oh, no.
Just some rocks.
Yeah. Caught the corner of my eye. I thought,
Yeah, oh, worth checking. Yeah. You can see some of the sleeper marks on the floor where the tracks would have been.
Yes.
Okay, so it's going straight again. Yep, still going nice and straight.
There was a long sweeping left bend.
There was, wasn't there? Yeah.
About 30 metres long, I'm estimating.
Yeah.
20 metres. Now it's a high level.
Now it's getting high.
Yeah.
Looks like it kinks to the right now.
To the right there.
Yeah.
It's got that haze in it.
Yeah, like we had in the other one.
Yes. What do they call it though?
Halocline.
That's it.
What's a cline?
Halocline.
Halo client.
I think.
Ah.
We ain't no experts.
And now left again.
Yes. It's got an S got an S bend.
Yeah.
It's quite a sharp one, this one. It's very high level.
It is very high, isn't it?
Yeah, look.
Whoa. Gee, that's high.
It's like it goes downhill.
Yeah. Keep an eye on the floor in case there's any artifacts down there.
Yeah.
And now it's going right again. A little bit.
So you and Hugh are digging on the other side of this.
Yes. So we've been digging on the other side. Pack wall.
Oh.
Right. Got a pack wall on the right.
There's some timbers there.
Some timbers. Pack wall. And a little bit of a collapse on the floor.
Yeah. There's the pack wall.
Wow.
There's something there, metal.
Yeah.
Part of an old cart.
Whoa.
What's going on here?
And it kinks a teeny bit to the left. There's like a mound of...
So look at that on the way back.
Yeah.
It was getting stuck. It communicates with the control.
All right.
Like vibrates. So we've got a mound there.
Mound, gone over the mound. And it looks like it goes off to the right.
Yeah.
What's that on the floor? Ahead. What's that?
Well spotted.
Oh, look at that. Oh, it's a dynamite box. Oh, whoa. It's a dynamite box. Whoa.
Look at that.
Gee, look at it. Yeah, it's a little explosives box. Oh, how about that? Whoa.
Amazing.
And the level goes off to the right.
Oh, I don't want to ruin your fun, but...
We're nearly 100.
Nearly at the end.
Okay, well,
There's tracks on the floor.
Yes. So we're almost on 100 metres now.
that's it. You're on your light.
So we'll keep going until the cable goes
Yeah.
short. Oh, gutted.
We can walk further though.
We could walk.
I'm on the limit.
I got my chesties. Oh, look at the tracks.
Look at that.
Oh.
There's something on the floor there to the right. There's a little rock. I've lost control there. It's just like with my.
Can you hold it there? Hold it, and we see if we can walk further.
You want to go, don't you?
I want to go. There's tracks on the floor. I want to go. Let's just be careful.
You're over your way there.
Hold on.
Well, unfortunately, with a
So-
100-metre level.
Whoa, and it carries on. Jeez. So we've gone exactly 100 metres then. So there's no need to measure it.
So, oh look! What's that?
There's something on the wall. What is that? Is it like a bracket for the compressed air pipe or something? Yeah.
That's so cool. We better turn it round just in case we lose it.
Yeah.
And your weight is a filling on.
I want to have a look at that dynamite box
Yeah.
on the way back. You need to wind it in now. That's awesome.
Oh, gutted we can't go further.
Well, this model only goes 100 metres apparently.
Is that depth or length though?
Depth.
Depth. So it would go further
Yeah,
lengthwise.
Look. It's the
What you got?
dynamite box.
Oh, there it is.
From the other angle.
Oh. Oh, look at it. Look at it.
It's got dynamite in it.
Look at that. Whoa.
Now it's full of silt.
Yeah. Jeez.
Well, my driving skills have greatly improved.
Yeah.
How about that? I know we've got to go and do now when we get out of this flooded level, which is really awesome. Let's go down those two flooded.
Can we stop there? What's over the pack wall on the left? Go back a little bit.
Round?
Yeah. What's in there? Oh, it's just a niche, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
Oh, yeah, it doesn't go anywhere, yeah.
There's that.
That bit of metal or whatever it is, yeah.
There's the back wall.
Wow. That's so cool.
So we're heading on back now. We're going to go down to what look amazing flood windows. How about that, folks?
That's amazing.
Zooming back to the
It's a huge level, isn't it?
Oh, is that?
Hey, I can see the. Hang on,
The lights in this.
I'm gonna film this. There comes the ROV. You can see the lights. So I've just sketched it down here. I'm going to draw it up properly later on.
It's talking to us.
It's looking straight at us.
Yeah, it's amazing, isn't it? What a cool toy.
It's really creepy when we see these artifacts through the eyes of something else. You know, like,
Yes.
we've seen them on the screen, but that little piece of plastic over there has actually seen them in real life. It's been the first object,
Yes.
you know, to go past these things in 100 years or whatever.
It's so cool, isn't it?
Yeah, the way that we're seeing it through the eyes of this thing. It's like being in a Titanic movie.
There it is.
There it is.